So yesterday we'll discuss about that flex property, right? So today we're going to discuss about that transition and then animations and all. Today we're going to discuss about transition and then animations. So first thing, the HTML will be block. Within that block, so head on section will be there, body one section is there. Head section, body section. The head section indicates tab section, the body section indicates document section. So within the head section, by using title tab 2, we can assign that page name. So title, what is the title now? Animations will be title and then transitions will be title. Save that file, just go and check it your document. First thing you can run this one, after that you can check that one. So open with live server extension, you can run that one. So now this is our document now. Like today we are going to discuss about transition and then animation. So what is the transitions now? So by using transitions property 2, we are going to declare some time limit. For example, write over property. So by using over property 2, we are going to make some actions. I mean, when the cursor will be moving to there only some actions will be executing. That is a over property. So what is the transition property? Now we are going to execute some actions. So for these actions, we are going to assign the time limit. So by use to make some time limit to execute the action, there is a transition property, time limit. See, over property, by using over property 2, we are going to make the actions. What is the transition property means? We are going to assign the time limit for the actions. That is a transition property. So see here, for example, initially in HTML section, I'm going to create one div block element here, div. So the block element will be created. So for this one, I'm going to add some basic stylings here. So what is the basic stylings I'm going to add now? Like there is no any content will be there. Simply I'm going to add some stylings here. So whenever we're using the internal CSS now, style open block close tag. Within that style open block close tag too. So by using selectors too, we can add the stylings. What are the selectors will be there now? ID selector, class selector, tag selector. Three selectors will be there. So style open tag close tag within that one. Which tag? Not div will be tag within the div tag like cover basis. Within that div only, I'm going to use that like background color I'm going to apply. A background color is a property. Which color? Na aqua color I'm going to apply. Save that one. Just go and check it your document. Nothing will happen. Why nothing will happen? Na? Because there is no any content. Nothing will be there. So only the empty block element will be there. That's why we are not getting anything here. Because this is an empty space. So within that empty element, we can't able to add that background color and all. In that case, for that block element, I'm going to assign some height. The height will be 200 pixel. Width also I'm going to assign the width size also 200 pixel will be size will be there. Save that file. Just go and check it your output now. See now the height size it comes 200 pixel. Width size it comes as a 200 pixel. And then the background color will be aqua color will be there. Clear. And then now we're going to apply the transition property. So instead of hover only, we're going to implement the transition product. Now, for example, for this development, I'm going to use that over property. Over property means when the cursor will be moving to the particular development, then only the action will be executing. For example, initially the height size will be 200 pixel, the width size will be 200 pixel will be there now. So now when the cursor will be moving to there, now I want to increase my width size up to 400 pixel. Save that one. Just go and check it your output now. So initially the width size it comes as a 200 pixel. When the cursor will be moving to there, now the height size, I mean width size it increasing 400 pixels. See, when the cursor is removed, it comes initial stage. When the cursor is going to the particular block, now the width size it increasing 400 pixels. Now the action will be executing fine here. So what is the use of transition property now? We are executing some action here. For the actions, we are going to assign some time limit. So to some time limit to execute the action, that is a transition property. So now where we have to use that transition property now? Here only transition is a property for which one we have to make the time limit now. For which only we are going to make the time limit. Because so by using over property 2, we are making that action for width only, right? So for the width only, we need to assign the time limit. Width will be property. How much time limit now? I'm going to assign as a 4 seconds will be time limit. 4s is equal to 4 seconds. Save that file. Just go and check it your output. Now when the cursor will be moving to there, now the width size is decreasing slowly. It taking 4 seconds time limit here. When the cursor will be removed, again it comes as the initial stage. When the cursor will be moving to there, now slowly it increasing, right? So this is the way for we using that transition property. Clear, guys? Remove, again it comes initial stage. For example, the height size it comes as a 200 pixel now. So when we are increasing up to cursor will be moving to the div block, then only we have to increase that 400 pixel the height size, right? So see here. So now the height also it increasing 400 pixel, the width also it increasing 400 pixel, but it occupying some, I mean it occupied some time limit for the width, right? So width only taking some time limit. So the height and all it not taking any time limit. The height and all it executing immediately, right? So for this height also we need to make some time limit. How to make the time limit? Now by using transition property to we can make that time limit and all. So height will be property. How much time limit? Now 4 seconds is a, or 5 seconds. So whatever the seconds we want, we can assign it here. For the height also 4 seconds time limit will be there. So initially the width size. So now the height size size also is increasing 400 pixel. At the same time, it taking 4 seconds time limit also. Again, it comes initial stage. See, when the cursor will be there, now the height size is 400, width size 400, it taking 4 seconds time limit also. Clear, guys? And then one more thing. So initially the background color, so aqua color is there. When the cursor will be moving to there, I want to change as a different color like blue violet color. Save that file. Just go and check it your output now. See, initially aqua color will be there. When the cursor will be comes out, initial stage when the cursor will be moving to there, now it comes as a blue violet color. See? So now the background color also it executing immediately, right? So for the background colors also we need to make some time limit now. How to do the time limit now? Instead of transition only we are going to assign the time limit. For which one we are going to assign the time limit now? Background hyphen color is a property. How much seconds now? 4 seconds time limit or 5 seconds time limit. I'm going to assign. Save that file. Just go and figure out when the cursor will be moving to the now the slowly the background color also executing it taking 5 seconds time limit. It comes initial stage. See, slowly the background color will be executing here. The cursor will move. So anyone having doubts up to you, right? Any doubt now you can ask me now. Any doubts? Please anyone on can respond to me. Message. And next one. So next one is now time. For example, initially the box is there. So this box we have to rotate anti-clockwise. That means we have to rotate this box. How to rotate this box? Now there also one property will be there. Which property now? Transform property is there. By using transform property, you can rotate up to 60 degrees Celsius. 60 degree, I mean, 60 degree, how to rotate. Here is one, just go check your output now. 60-degree, the shape we are getting here. When the cursor will be comes up, again it comes initial stage. The box will be going to the 60-degree shape. So now for the transform also we need to make some time limit now. How to add the time limit within the transition? So transform will put the 5 seconds to be timed. Save that one. So now when the cursor will be moving to the box will be rotating up to 60 degrees. Hello. Yes, screen visible. See, when the cursor will be moving to here, the box will be rotating up to 360-degree clockwise. So we have to rotate this back block anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means opposite direction. In the case, we can assign that value here. Minus 360-degree will be value. Save that one. Just go and check it your output now. See, now the box will be rotating anti-clockwise. So this is the way for we using the transform property. And then like initially the box shape will be there. Now we need to make as a radius shape. I mean round shape we have to make now. There only we are using the border radius property. By using border radius property too, we can assign the value 50% will be value. So save this one. See, when the cursor will be moving to the particular thing, now the radius shape we are getting. When the cursor comes out, again it comes initial stage. When the cursor will be moving to there, now we are getting that radius shape. Clear? After that, so now the radius also we need to make some time limit. How to make that time limit now? Within the transition only we can make that time limit. For which one we need to make that time limit now? For the border. For the bar For the border radius only, I'm going to make that time limit here. Save that one. See, the slowly the radius shape also changing. Again, remove. Again, it comes initial stage. Clear, guys? This is the way for we using the transition property. Anyone having doubts in this transition? If you're having any doubts now, you can ask me, guys. Any doubts? Okay. So coming to the animations. The next one is animation, right? So see here, simply I'm going to make that animations here. For example, now I'm going to comment these things here. So now I'm going to make one section also block element will be there, empty block element only is there. So for this section also I'm going to apply some basic styling. So section will be tag selector, background color. The background color, whatever the color you want, you can apply it here. So simply I'm going to apply as a chocolate color. Save this one, just go and check it, nothing will happen. Why now? Because there is no any space, that's why we are not getting any background color. So height I'm going to assign as a 500 pixel, which size I'm going to assign as a 100 percentage. Save that one, just check it now. So now the background color will be there here. The background color, chocolate color will be there. So now our effect means when the cursor will be moving to there only the actions will be executing. That is the over property, right? So now without moving, without clicking, we have to change the actions. That is the animation, right? Animation and all defaultly we have to change the behavior. That is the animations property, right? So now like every second, everything we have to make as a different background color. In that case, we have to apply the animations here. So whenever we are applying the animations, now we have two properties will be there. What are the true properties will be there? Now first thing, we have to create one animation name. After that, for the animation, we have to assign the duration. Duration means time limit. So first thing, I'm going to create the animation name. How to create the animation name? Now animation name on property is there. By using that animation name property too, we can create that name. So whatever the name we want, we can create it. Simply, I'm going to create as animation name. Hello will be animation name. So now the allow will be animation name. Instead of this allow only, now the section will be there, the entire section. So in this entire section only, the background color, chocolate color will be there. So here only we have to apply the animations. And all. So the next property, animation duration will be there. So duration we have to apply. I mean time limit. I'm going to assign as a like 10 seconds is a time limit for the duration for the action. And then now we need to apply the animation. How to apply the animations now? So we created one animation name, right? So for the animation name only, the section will be there. For that animation name only, we have to apply that animations and all. So how to access the animation name now? By using at keyframes on keyword will be there. After that, which one we have to access now? Which one? Like hello will be animation name flower basis. And then now we have max width is 100 percentage. Within the 100 percentage, for example, we have to apply 10 colors. 10 colors means 100 divided by 10, 10, right? 10, 10, 10 divided. So for example, like we have to apply only 5 colors. 100 divided by 5, 20, 20, 20, 20, right? So now for example here, like I want to apply some 5 or 6 colors, like 10 percentage. For the 10 percentage, I want to make one background color here. The background color aqua color. And then 30 percentage, I want to apply different background color here. Background color, the background color will be pink color. And then 50 percentage, for the 50 percentage, I want to make some different background color here. So yellow color. And then 70 percentage, I want to make some different background color here. Red color. And then 90 percentage I want to make different background color here. Background color, the background color will be chartreuse color. Save that one, just go and check it your output whether it is working or not. So refresh one time here. Initially the chocolate color, from chocolate color to see the different colors will be changing here. It taking 10-second duration also. Once the 10 seconds will be completed, again it comes initial stage. What is the initial stage now? Chocolate color will be initial stage. Refresh one time. Now aqua, pink color, and then yellow color, red color, and then chart house color. Again, chocolate color. Clear? Again, it comes as the initial stage, right? So this is the way for we using that animations. For example, the action will be stopped, right? Once the animation time limit will be completed, not the action will be stopped here. Like I don't want to stop this animation. I want to execute this animation infinity. In that case, animation one property is there. By using this animation too, we can declare the three value. What are the three value now? Animation name, animation duration 12 seconds, and then third one is infinite. Infinite means this animation we have to execute as a infinite. So without stopping, we have to execute that animations here. See, now the animations are all executing infinity. So it's not stopping now. It's executing again and again the background colors and all. That is the animations property. For example, we are making the background colors, right? Now I want to apply the images. For example, see here, simply I'm going to remove these things now. So now section will be there. Just accent that section tag selector. So for this section, I'm going to make one background image now. So background image is a property. URL is a value. Within that URL, whatever the image we want, we can paste it. Save that one. And we are not getting that image, right? We need to make that image now. So the height and width is mandatory for this image also. Height 500 pixel is the height, and then width size is a 100% is the width size. Save that one. Just go and check it your output now. So now the background size will be not covered, right? So how to cover that background size? Now only the half image only we are getting. So we have to make the background entire size now. So background size will be property. Cover is a value. Save that one. So now the entire background image we are getting here, right? Now the entire image we are getting here. After that, so now we need to do that animations and all. How to do that animations now? For example, here, uh, first thing, whenever we using the animations now, first thing we have to use that animation property. Within that animation property, we have to create that animation name. Animation name, whatever the name we want, we can make it. 14 seconds it will be time limit, and then the animation we have to execute as an infinity. How to access the animation name now? By using at keyframes too, we can access that animations names and all. What is that animation name? I will be animation name. Here only I'm going to apply that animation name and all. Clear? So for example, here 10 percentage. I want to apply one background image property. So here URL, within that URL, whatever the URL we want. So 10 percentage. Like that, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. So here, first one 10, and then 20, 30, not only 10, not only 30, whatever the values we want to, we can divide the values to, we can assign that color. For example, only we have to assign the five images now, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we have to assign some 77 or six images now, 15, 13, 45, like that. We have to divide the percentages only, nothing more here. 40, now like now I'm going to assign the 10 images, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now you can go to your browser. Within that browser, within that browser, you can copy images address and then you can paste it that one. Images, you can search here. You can copy that image address. After that, you can paste it that image address within your URL section. Three images. Whatever the images you want, you can copy that image address, and then you can paste it there. Save the file. Now we can check it your animations here within your document. Refresh one time. See. So why we are getting like this now? Because the issues is there. That's why we're getting like. Otherwise, it will become like see some network issues is there. That's for example, you can some more assign some more time here, like 25 seconds. See, without clicking, we can change the background images and all. This is the way for we're executing the animations and all. Clear, guys? Anyone having doubts in these animations? Like, if you're having any doubts now, you can ask me guys now. Any doubts is there? Animations are working only when we, yeah, like without tech. By now it's audible. Hello. Yeah. See here, like over property means when the cursor will be moving to the particular image, then only the action will be executing. That is a over property. So animations and all, without using that over property, using anything, we can execute these actions automatically and then repeatedly also. That's the animations. Okay. There is percentage means like max width is 100%. So within that 100, example, plus example 100 percentage code will be there. Now in that 20, Audible? Hello? Audible? A minute, please. Oh, now my voice is audible. Hello? Yeah. See, yeah. What is the 10 percentage? What is the 20 percentage now? For example, we have max width is 100 percentage. Within the 100 percentage, like we have to assign some five colors now. So 5 divided by 100 means 20, 20, 20 is equal to 5, right? So 5 divided by 100 means 5, 20, 20, 20, like that 5. So we have to assign some 10 colors, not 10, 10, like 10, 10 divided by 100 means 10, 10, 10, 10 values. 5 divided by 10, 100 means 20, 20 values. Like that, whatever the requirement, based on the requirement only, we are going to divide that percentages. Clear? So now I want to apply the 10 images now. That's why I'm declaring as a 10 values like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. For example, my requirement is I want to apply the 5 images now. Like I can change it here 20, 40, for example, here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So remaining things I'm going to remove here. Hundred. So here 5 images only is there. Like I want to apply 5 images only. That's why I'm declaring as a 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and then the time limit also I'm going to assign as a like 13 seconds will be time limit. Save that one. Just go and check it your output. See, now also it will be working. Only we're getting the 5 images. Clear? So 10 images means 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10, 10, 10. So 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20, 20, 20. Like whatever the requirement we want, we can assign that. We can divide that percentages. Clear? Clear or not, guys, now? So the CSS HTML will be completed. Uh, Tomorrow onwards, we're going to divide the batches. After that, we will assign the projects also. Like actually, the 15 people something will be there. We can divide 5, 5, 5. So every one batch, we are going to assign some individual project module, and then we have to do that one by using HTML CSS too. Okay. So tomorrow we will assign that project. Clear, guys? We will divide the batches also. Okay then. Bye, guys. We can connect tomorrow. Bye, everyone.